Project manager. Project manager. Project manager. Quality assurance. Quality assurance. Quality assurance. Risk management. Risk management. Risk management. Client. 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 Baseline. 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 Project manager. For example, the project manager is responsible for overseeing the entire project. Quality assurance. For example, quality assurance is an essential part of the project. Risk management. For example, effective risk management is essential to avoid project delays. Client. For example, the client has specific requirements for this project. Baseline. For example, the baseline enables us to monitor project progress in comparison to the initial plans.